Okay, so this was the paper which I got. Do you have the same set or अलग कोई different set था आपका?
Mine was set 4.
Set 4, and this is okay. The same set, I think. Set 4. This is okay. So first question was this: the exponent of 5 in the prime factorization of this. What was that? Tell me the answer quickly.
I got 5.
You got 5. So firstly, tell me what did you do? Factorize this in simple form.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll discuss because हम इसको discuss करेंगे अभी next session में. I think tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow I'll be having like 1-2 that session, discussion session will be there. But till now, what we can do? Let's focus on the key. What different
Sir, wait, let me take my paper.
yeah, bring it.
No, sir, it's option B. Option B. I marked option B.
Option B.
Yes, 4.
Why did you mark B?
It is B.
Okay,
Answer is B.
let me check it out. So QT that 032.4 032.4. Let me check it out. Although we'll sell. It's not B actually. It was C. You're telling it correct. Okay, check
B.
it out. कहाँ mistake करी आपने? B क्यों लगाया बच्चे? Let's solve it out. Why did you select B? Okay, 3-7. Okay, let's do it. Second एक बार. Don't get hopeless. Might get wrong. कोई बात नहीं उसमें, ठीक है? Okay. So let's do it. 3 5. Okay, so let's try to figure it out. So firstly start with the 2. 2 1 2. Tell me. 2 8 16. 2 7 14. 2 5 10.
10.
Okay, fine. Then of course it will start with a 5. So 5 3 15. We have 3. So 5 7 35, and then 5 5 25. Is it fine?
Yes. 5.
Then 5 7 35. Then 5 5 25. Then we have 5 7
Sir, wait. The 375 divided by 5 is some another. It is 70. 75. It is.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, here we go wrong. 75. 5 7 then. Okay, then 5 1 5, and then 5 5 25. Okay. Then 5
It's 4.
5 3 15, right?
Yes.
Then
3
3
3
1 3.
3 3.
The power is
4
4.
times. Yes.
So B is the correct answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So don't get next one. The graph of px cuts access 3 points and touches 2 other points. Okay, and touches it 2 at other points. So what is the number of zeros? Tell me. How many zeros are there?
I marked option D.
Option D. Okay, fine. D because
Yes,
it says 3 points पे तो cut कर रहा है और 2 other point को touch कर रहा है. It means 5 zeros are there. 3 plus 2.
Yes, sir.
If it cuts 6 times on x-axis, it means 6 zeros are there. We have done this already. Graph. The values of x and y satisfying to equations. We are discussing only the answers.
Option A.
Option
A.
Correct.
Option
Fourth
A.
one.
Fourth one I skipped.
Fourth one is skip. Okay, but still, if I just do it for you, the fourth one answer will be. Just give me 1 second. Yes, the fourth one answer will be. Let's say. Okay, the value of k you need to find out. So whether you just find the distance. So answer will be here c. Okay, root 3 if you solve it. Fifth one is. He marked it correct. Fifth one is D, right? Area. Although this question should not be asked in the exams because this was out of syllabus, but still we can do it. Okay, 2 square and then 3 square. But they're asking the complete. So area of AB. So area ABC will be 5. So this side will be 5. And ADE, this will be 2. So 5 is to 2. That is 25 is to 4. Correct. 6 1. What about
Option
sixth
B.
one? B.
I marked option B. Yes, sir.
Okay. Square theta plus cos square theta, cosec square theta. So sec square is 1 upon cos square theta, and this is 1 upon sin square theta. Okay, so if we do it, so it will be nothing but 1 upon sin square plus cos square 1, so 1 upon sin square theta into cos square theta into sin square theta. This is what it means. So do one thing, just put the value. So cot is this, make a triangle. If you can make a triangle, cot is what? Theta is this. So cot is perpendicular upon, sorry, base upon perpendicular, because cot is opposite of tan. Tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon base. So cot will be base upon perpendicular. So base is what? 1. Perpendicular is root 3. So it will be like root 3 plus 1 is 2. 1, 2, 3. Now put the value. Cos theta is what? Put this, or maybe directly find the sin theta. मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, चलो sec theta find out कर लेते हैं. Sec square. Sec is opposite of cos. So cos theta is 1 by 2. So it's 2 by 1. Okay, base upon hypotenuse. Is it fine? So sec square is 1 upon cos. Okay, 2 square is there. Fine. Then we have
Yes.
cosec. So sine. So perpendicular, sorry, perpendicular base perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it is 2 by root 3 square if I do it. Okay, so it is 4 plus 4 by 3, 3 4 ja 12, 12 and 4, 12 and 4 what? 16, 16 by 3. Answer is 5 whole 1 by 3. Which option is correct, bache? D1 is correct. What the point? Where do you go wrong? कहाँ पे mistake
Yes,
हुई
sir.
आपसे? Why do you select 40 by 9? Anyways, okay, don't let's discuss it. What I have done here, you just find the value of cot, or maybe find the value of other ratio and then put it in this. Okay, with the help of triangle.
Okay, sir.
So answer is D. अभी मार्क कर लेते हैं, फिर इसको बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है. The area of quadrant of a circle, tell me what is this? Seventh one.
I skipped, sir.
Skipped. Okay, but the answer will be C. So do it by your own and we'll discuss. For event PE and PX, so x is 1. Tell me answer is -2. A. बिल्कुल सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. Because
Yes, A.
because
Because
1
it will be
cube
1.
minus 3. 1 cube minus 3. 1
Yes.
minus 3 is minus.
-2.
Okay, so what is the greatest possible speed at which a girl can walk 95 1 centimeter in the
Option
exact
B.
number of minutes?
19 minutes.
Option,
19
option
minutes
B,
per.
9 per minute, correct. 10 about 10.
Option C.
1 2 3. कितने zeros हैं? 3 zeros हैं. What about 11?
11th, I skipped.
Okay, it is also C. Okay, what about 12?
12th one, option A.
Okay, we'll discuss it. You might get wrong. It is option B. Okay, we'll discuss it anyway. In triangle, this one, 13 one. Now you mark it and
13
then we'll
one,
discuss.
similar but not congruent.
Similar but not congruent. B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 14th one.
14th one, option A.
Correct. 15th one.
15th one, I skipped.
Okay. 15th you skip. Why do you skip it? It's a minute hand of a clock is 84 centimeter long. The distance covered by the tip of the minute, 10 into 10, 10. So what is the amount of angle? What is the value of angle? 10, 10. This is the 10, 10, 25 this. So how much? 3 times, like 30. So each 5 minute get 30 degree angle. So it is 90 degree angle. 30,
Yes, okay.
30, 30. Okay. Total
Yes.
12 is there. So 12 times it means 360 degree angle. So 30 this, 30 this, 30 this, 9. It's 1 by 4. Hai? So radius. So pi r square theta by 1 by 4. So pi is 22 by 7. R square is what? 84. 84 and 90 by 360. So it is 94 ja. It is 12, and then it is 4 3 ja 12. So multiply it. So 66 multiply 84, and if I try to write it, so 6 4 ja 28. Sorry. Mm-hmm. 66. So let's say 6 4 ja 24, 6 8 ja 48, and 42 50. 50. Why the answer is so much big? Okay, it is simply asking distance, not asking the area. Now we are getting it wrong. So it is not asking the distance, it is asking the simply area. Sorry, simply asking the distance. So we can do it. Length of arc we have to tell me, है ना? Not the. So length of arc is simply, let's say total length will be what? It is like 2 pi r by 360. Okay, this is 2 pi r, L like length equals to theta by 360. 2 pi r equals to theta by 360. Okay. Put the value of r and then find the value of length L. So we can do it. Okay, but still the answer is C part here. Okay, we'll do it. 14 is C part. C part 132. Okay, we'll discuss it. 16 one. Tell me 16 one.
16th one, option B.
Option B.
Yes, sir.
We have done this question, bache. 52 cards, neither an ace nor an spade. Ace 4 are there, spade are 13 spades. But you have already included one spade in this case. Okay,
Yes.
so only 12 spade are there. So 16 by
16 by
50.
52.
So which option is correct? Neither an ace nor a spade. Where is the option? 16 by 52. Neither an ace nor a spade. There are 4 ace, spade including 13 spade cards are there. So, but we include one. So only 12 are there. 12 is there. Okay. Okay, great. So we want it, right? We want this, right? So 16. So what is the remaining? 16. Sorry, 52 minus 16. What is the answer?
36.
36 by 52. So now 4 9 ja and 4 13 ja. Answer is A. Because you don't want this, ना? तो हमें कितना चाहिए? 36 52. Answer is A.
Okay, sir.
Hello, can you hear me? There was an internet issue. I think it suddenly got stopped. Can you hear me? Unique.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I was explaining. Did you listen this question? आपने सुना था जो मैंने बताया अभी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait for a second. Just one. Fine. So I was explaining this, a very simple one. So I think they are saying nor 52 cards. Sorry, neither ace or nor spade. So how many ace are there? 4 ace are there, and spades are there 13. But you include one space, one ace in this case. So only 12 are there. So this is what 16. So now they don't want it. So you have to subtract this 16 from 52. We'll get 36. Now you want 36 out of 52. So it will be like 4 9 is 36 and 4 13. The answer is A. Okay. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me the 17th one.
Sir.
What did you select? Firstly make it, then we'll discuss it tomorrow. हाँ बताइए.
Option C.
Correct. 18th one.
18th one, option C.
C. Again C.
No, option D.
Option D. Whose zeros are 5 and 8. Product and sum. But product is 5 and sum is 8. So this is product and this is sum. So what is this equation? So it is like x square
It is C,
minus.
sir. I didn't mark in the question paper. I'm getting confused.
Okay, just think about it. It is x square minus sum. What is the sum? It is 8 and 8x. And what is the product? 5. So answer will be, tell me which one answer, which option is correct. Answer A is correct, bache. You confused about they given product first and then they have given the sum. So whenever we write the quadratic equation, we have to do like this: x square minus sum times x plus product. And they have written product first and then they have written sum. But what you have done, you just put the product first and then sum. This is what you call. Answer is A. X square minus sum times x plus product.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 19th one.
19th one skipped.
Okay, answer is B. Round it down. 20th one.
20th one B.
B. ओके
Yes.
मार्केट ए वैसे यहाँ पे आपको अभी देखते हैं, हम इससे बात करेंगे. 21.
21 D.
ओके करेक्ट. 22.
22 D.
ओके करेक्ट. 23.
23 skip.
ओके आंसर इज बी. 24.
24 skip.
स्किप. ओके सी. 25.
C.
या सी करेक्ट. 26.
C.
C. X minus 1 is the factor and then a plus b. So I have to find the value of a and b.
Yes.
So put it x minus, put the value of 1 equals to, let's say 1 cube plus a plus 2b is equals to 0. So a plus 2b equals to minus 1 and a plus b equals to 4. If we subtract it from 4 minus, so minus 2b, b की वैल्यू नेगेटिव आने वाली है, ठीक है. माइनस माइनस माइनस, a will be cancelled. b equals to minus 5. So answer is B. 26 is B. आपने क्या सिलेक्ट किया? C.
C. Yes, sir.
ओहो 26 is B ना. B is minus 5. Okay. 27. Tell me 27. if A and B are two co-prime numbers, so A cube and B cube will also be co-prime. They also will be co-prime, right? Because there is not anything common in
Yes.
this. So of course cube में भी कुछ common नहीं होगा because you are multiplying 3 times. Let's say
Yes.
there are 2 and 5. So if you cube 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 8, 5 into 5 and 125. What is the common in this case? Nothing is common. So if two numbers are co-prime, their cube, square, all are co-prime as well.
Yes.
A. Okay. 28.
28 I skipped.
Okay. Answer is C. 29.
C.
Correct. 30.
31 skip.
Okay. Answer is B. Note it down and I will discuss them. 31.
31 D.
Correct. 32.
32 D.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, 33.
33 C.
Correct. Okay. 34.
34 skip.
No. 33 is not C. It's an important question. I'll tell you. Its answer is B, not C. Okay. 34 skipped. Okay. 34 answer is D. This is 35.
35 D.
Correct. Easy one. 36.
36 C.
Okay, correct. 37.
37 B. I mean option C C C.
37C.
Yes.
Okay, again here go a little bit wrong. There is a relationship between all these things. 1 upon x square equals to 1 upon z square plus. Okay. It's like 1 upon x square plus 1 upon z square equals to 1 upon y square. This is the relation between these two. So what they're asking, x, z and y, they're asking y. 1 upon x, 1 upon 8 square 64 plus 1 upon z is 36 plus 1 upon y square. So answer is 37 is D. Okay, we'll discuss it. And what about 38? 38. Tell me.
Second, wait some seconds, my brother.
Sorry?
My brother is calling some sir. Wait.
Tell me. Yes, 38. Thirty-eight is A. We'll discuss it. 39. Okay, good question. 39 is B. 40 बताइए मुझे. 40. Am I audible? Again network connection हुआ क्या कुछ? नहीं.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Now.
B.
Okay. Brother is gone
40.
finally.
Tell me. 40.
Yes. 38 right.
Yeah,
40.
38.
40 skipped.
Sorry? 40 skip. Okay, fine.
40 skip.
40 skip. Just give me 1 sec. Forty skip. Okay. And give me 1 second. Yes. 40 skip. Okay. 40 answer is, let me tell you, C. We'll do them. Case study तो कर ली होगी आपने. Case study question बताइए मुझे. 41.
D.
Yeah, D. 42.
C.
C, correct. 43.
D. I mean B.
B.
10.
Again D. एक मिनट बचे रुकना. एक मिनट रुकना.
Fixed charge.
Just give me 1 second.
Sir, it is B.
Oh, sorry, बच्चे, it was important call.
Sir, 43 is B.
43 is B. Just give me 1 second. Yes, 43 is B.
Yes, sir. The fixed charge is 10 and the additional charge is 3 every day.
Mm, there's something wrong. I think we'll discuss it. 43 is not B. Okay, 44. Tell me 44.
D.
B.
D.
D.
Yes, sir. 3 additional charge.
Okay. 45.
45 is skip. Yeah, no question.
Okay, answer is C in this case. Oh, this one. 46.
46 option A. A. Option A.
Tell me. Which criteria did you use? Option A. Why option A?
Because angle OCD is congruent to angle BAC because of this corresponding angles is equal, and this angle DOC and angle AOB is equal because of intersecting lines theorem.
No, no. Tell me, bache. This is 5 centimeters. Sorry, they are saying congruency, right? Okay, this angle is equal to this angle. Fine.
Yes.
Alternate DR angle. Okay, and the field is divided into trapezium. Right? It's a trapezium. Okay, so it's saying AOD, AOB, and COD.
Yes.
AOB and COD.
Yes, sir.
AOB and COD. Look at this. So if you look at this, these two angles are given, है ना? ये equal है हमारे पास. If these two angles, of course, these angles are also equal, but we are not considering it here. So that's why you made this one, or maybe these two angles, vertically opposite.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why you applied double A.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then double A is fine. है ना? There is no side is given. Fine. 47.
Option B.
Yes, B is correct. 48. What about 48? Tell me 48. Yes. Tell me 48. $48 is D. Okay. And 49 is B and 50 is C. ठीक है, चलो नोट इट डाउन, एक बार पता करो कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है ना? गिव मी 5 minutes for that. Okay, I'm just coming in 5.
Okay, sir.